Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are you today? I will be sharing with you 7 bad habits that will make you poor and mediocre. 7 bad habits that will make anyone poor and mediocre. Number 1, the biggest bad habit that can steal and rob your dream is called procrastination. What is procrastination? When you can do something today, but you delay it to tomorrow or next week or next month or next year, that is called procrastination. We are all animals of habits. Day in, day out, we repeatedly perform the habits every day, whether it's good or bad. Now today, I'll be sharing with you 7 biggest bad habits that rob, steal, and draw you away from your own success. So the first one is called procrastination. So what is procrastination? When we have a habit to say, I do it next time, I do it tomorrow, I do it next year. That is procrastination. And this bad habit is actually seen in everyone. Do you have the power to overcome this? The answer is yes. Can you do it now? Yes. However, it is not as easy as we say, because when a person has the habit of procrastinate, we can find the best excuse to reason out why we delay what we do. Alright? So we always can find enough reasons to convince ourselves why we don't do it now. Because the reasons are solid, and the reasons are factual, and the reasons are believable. However, ladies and gentlemen, even though you may have the biggest reasons or the biggest excuse not to do what you want to do, example like finish your work on time, writing your book and get it published, or seeing enough customers every day, whatever task or activities that you need to perform, but you delay it, there is a huge price to pay. And the price is you are paying for the consequence of your success. I got married very late. My classmate who studied with me in the school, his children is already like 15, 16, 17 years old. My eldest son is 6 years old. Why? Because I was procrastinating on getting married. Not sure, I was like delaying. I'm not saying getting married late is bad, no. What I'm saying is I could have done it earlier. So a lot of times when you delay something, or when I delay my plans, like getting married, there is a price to pay. Yeah? When you delay in starting your own business, when you delay in executing your plan, when you delay in performing a goal, a small goal, and you say you want to do it one day, but there is no deadline, there's no specific time, you just say one day, let me be honest with you, it will never come true. Because one day is not understood by your mind. One day is not a definite time. So when you say one day I get things done, it is as good as saying, if I can remember, one day, if I can remember, I will maybe get it done. So why is it procrastination has been robbing people? It is because it's very easy as a human to find and create excuses for not doing what we're supposed to be doing, and it's so easy. However, we're actually not getting the success we want because of procrastination. That is the biggest bad habit in many people, including me. So is there a way to overcome procrastination? Yes. Set a time on your action. Set a specific time for all your activities. And remember, discipline is getting it done, whether you feel like it or you don't feel like it. So for instance, today I told my videographer, Mark, I say, come to my house. Let's do some video. So this morning, I called Mark, and we have been planning to do some videos today. And that was a few days ago. And I told Mark, let's get the video done today. And Mark was ready. So he came to my house, and now we are doing the video shooting. So what if I told Mark, I don't feel like doing, I don't feel motivated today? Now, when you have a plan, you follow your head, you don't follow your heart, because sometimes your heart can have a mood swing. Sometimes you feel good, sometimes you don't feel good. If you have a plan to do something, like in this case, I wanted to do video this morning, I could find a reason and say, Mark, let's do it tomorrow. I can find a reason and say, Mark, let's do it next week. But I am delaying the video, you see. So ladies and gentlemen, having discipline is very important, because discipline means whether you feel like it, whether you don't feel like it, is not important. You have set the time, you have planned to do the video. Do not procrastinate. Follow your plan. Discipline is very important. I remember when I was a boy, 15 years old, I joined Taekwondo classes. And I can never forget our training days falls on Monday and Wednesday evening. And we start at 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Now, if you are late for Taekwondo classes and you arrive at 7:15, my instructor will get anyone who is late to do push-up. We have to do push-up, okay? And it's up to him. Sometimes he say you do 50 push-up in front of everybody. It is a punishment for those who come late. And for him, you must arrive by 7 or before 7. You can arrive at 6:50 or 6:55, but you must be ready by 7. And not only that, you must come by 7, you must come in full uniform. If you come in full uniform, then you are okay, because you conform to the rules. There's one time I came late, and also I did not bring my full set of uniform. I was wearing t-shirt and the Taekwondo pants. So I did not wear the jacket. And I remembered he called my leader, and my leader was caught in front to answer why is Jackson not wearing the full set of uniform. And my leader told my instructor he already advised me to wear full set of uniform, but I did not listen to him. So I was then asked to push up 50 times. My leader, who allowed me to wear a t-shirt, he was asked to push up 100 times. 100 times. Until today, I remember the power of discipline. Whether you like it or you don't like it, you need to follow the plan. And if you set goals to do something, you have the power to follow your own plan. Or you can find the biggest excuse not to do it. So ladies and gentlemen, the biggest killer or robber of your success and my success is procrastination. The next time we say, maybe someday I do, next time I do, next year I do, next month I do, next week I do. Let us be very conscious that procrastination, if we are not careful, when it becomes a habit, it will be very difficult for you to overcome it. However, the opposite of procrastination is discipline. When you have discipline, you will tell yourself that this is the right time to do this activity. So it's very important to have a plan. It's very important to have discipline. It will help you to overcome procrastination. My name is Jackson Ng. Thank you for watching this video.